margaritas by the pool in Scottsdale, Arizona. I was having so much fun. Till my sister called. Misa, you gotta get to Mom and Daddy right now. What's wrong? Why? Daddy's in the hospital. Mama's home alone. Mama cannot be home alone. Mama has Alzheimer's. I am on the last flight out of Phoenix. Landing, San Antonio is pitch black. Citywide blackout. My poor mama. It's 11:35 p.m. I'm walking in her front door to total darkness. Thank goodness for our smartphones and our flashlights. Mama, Mama, it's Thomesa. Where are you, Mama? And suddenly, I see her. There she is, curled up in a fetal position behind the sofa. Mama, are you okay? Where's my husband? Where's my husband? Right then and there, I knew that my mission was to help my parents make the best of the rest of their lives. I even wrote a book for that purpose, Smart Living for Seniors, How to Make the Best of the Rest. Death and taxes. The only two things we can count on in life. Not, because there's a third. And that is that urgent call that you will receive. Somebody's going to tell you to get from your town to somebody else's town immediately. And if you haven't already had that happen to you, it will. When parents are in their 60s and the kids are in their 40s, it's time to start having conversations about how your parents are going to get older. And how do they see their lives living 10, 20 years down the road, maybe even 30? And how can you help? Don't wait for the crisis. Every 13 minutes, 100 people turn 60. Now, some of those people just suddenly turn into old fogies. They just exist. The smart ones, they think they're recycled teenagers. We just want to have fun. Yeah. They're already thinking about downsizing. They want to get rid of, be free of that large, high-maintenance home and opt for a smaller home that's more manageable. We are clearing out the clutter. We're taking our lives back, and we are reconnecting with independence and freedom. The smart ones have a plan. The simplest of plans and an earlier in life move can make all the difference in the world in a move that's easy or one that can destroy you, possibly cause injury, disability, or even death. I know, that's dramatic. But that's what happened in my family. That late in life move, without a plan, put my dad in his grave. And it landed my mom in memory care. Now, for those of you that don't know what memory care is all about, it's a place where they store the live bodies when the mind and the brain no longer remembers that they're your mommy or your daddy. Miss Fran, is this your daughter? I don't know who she is, but she's been sitting around here all day. I'll never forget how my heart felt as it dropped. Imagine how you would feel if your mom thought you were a stranger. My mission, because of my personal experience and as a senior real estate specialist, is to help baby boomers and their parents enjoy the next living chapter of their lives by creating a plan. Be smart, plan for the best of the rest of your life, and I'll see you hanging around the pool having fun.